Hey everyone, it's Rockstar Brewski, and it's actually cold and rainy in Portland, Oregon right now. But I took this footage back in sunny June, so it cheered me up, and I'm hoping it'll cheer you up as you watch it. Okay, Carter's here, yay. From college just for a couple days, my oldest son, and we're gonna go kayaking because he hurt his foot and we can't go hiking. So let's get the rest of the family and go. What do you say, Carter?
I say let's do it.
Okay. Okay, you guys ready to go? Have a happy, fun time? Hopefully they'll have some kayaks. Alder Creek is a kayak rental company in Tualatin, Oregon, and they had some available kayaks, so that was awesome. And another cool thing is the storage compartment in the kayaks to keep your stuff dry. The kids carried the kayaks down, but they needed the exercise, and they could just drop them there on the dock, and let's get going. Hopefully no one falls in getting into the kayaks. Let's go. And the boys had no problem getting into the kayaks, and the girls, after a couple times getting in, they were able to paddle off. Now it was my turn, holding the camera and the oar. I almost dumped it, but I made it in. All right, let's row. Coming. Watch out, Landon, I'm gonna hit you. Turn, sorry. What'd you guys think?
It was fun.
Fun?
Yeah.
Good exercise?
Yep.
All right, nice.
What's up?
That was so much fun. Woo! Good exercise. Not sure what else we'll do, but we'll see. All right, we're back. Had a great time kayaking. Time to Traeger some tri-tip. Oh yeah. Yep, Landa the Q Master. Put that tri-tip on. Boy, I guess just lay it all the way on. How many people do you think that'll feed?
10.
10? Let her down. Let her smoke for an hour and a half. So I thought I'd do some tests. The wind's a little bit kicking up in my backyard. And what better way to do some tests than to relax in your backyard with a cold drink. And do some audio testing. All right. We took the meat off right here because we had to crank it up to 400, 389 or so to sear the meat. It's been on for about an hour 15. It's smoking up, as you can see, so we're ready to sear it. Let's put it on and get this meat done. Woo doggy! 4 minutes on each side. Time to get those veggies on. They are wrapped up veggies and potatoes. and we're going to grill them in just about 2 minutes. Alright, so we took the potatoes and veggies out of the wrap. Gonna let them go for about 5 minutes. Alright, it's been 4 minutes, time to flip. Alright, I think that meat's done. Let's have a look. It's looking good. Get it off and let it rest. I like to wrap it up. Let the steak rest for about 5 minutes or so. I'll keep it nice and warm. Let's see how the vegetables are getting along. They're looking good. All right, everything's done. Let's eat. How was the dinner? Good?
Awesome.
Nice.
Hello.
Hi, did you get in a fight?
No. I got my wisdom teeth out.
Nice, how many?
Covering. Got all 4 out.
Ah, no steak for you tonight, I guess, huh?
No.
Oh, bummer.
I tried to taste of it. I sucked on it. But...
Yes. That's the end of the day. Nothing else to do. Just gonna relax. Had a great day kayaking. Eat some good Traeger smoked tri-tip. And it's just time to relax and enjoy the evening.